Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Camry windshield wipers. It's a simple task that significantly improves your driving safety by ensuring clear visibility. Worn-out wipers can streak and reduce your view, especially in bad weather. Before we start, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready. For many Camry models, the driver's side requires a 26-inch blade, and the passenger's side needs a 20-inch blade. Having a clean cloth handy is also a good idea. Now let's remove those old, worn-out blades. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Next, find the small tab or clip where the wiper blade attaches to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade downwards to detach it. Once the blade is off, gently lower the bare metal arm back onto the windshield, but place a folded towel underneath to prevent any accidental damage to your glass. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your fresh wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade firmly upwards into the hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached. Don't forget to remove any plastic protective covers from the rubber squeegee of your new blades before lowering them. Finally, let's ensure everything works perfectly. Gently lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some washer fluid to test their operation. They should glide smoothly and clear the glass without streaking. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. You might also consider silicone blades, which often offer enhanced durability and superior performance in diverse weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.